A very good morning, students. How are you all? Are you listening to the online classes? Okay, fine. In this video, I am going to explain a lesson. But before starting the lesson, I would like to ask you a question. Do you have a new dress or do you have any dresses? Yes, we all have dresses. But there is something special about this dress. So, what is the dress? The new blue dress. So, in this lesson, we are going to listen something special about that new blue dress and also about a girl. Are you ready? Shall we start the lesson? Okay, fine. I am just giving you a summary of the lesson. Okay, in short, I will explain the lesson. Okay, there was a small street in Cleveland City and that street's name is Gates Avenue. So, in that Gates Avenue street, there were so many people. They used to live in that street. But that street was so dirty and filthy. Okay, it was nasty. No one cleaned that street. And there were no pavements. Pavements means roads here. There were no roads, no street lights, no running water in that street. And one day, it was springtime. That season was spring. So, in that season, all the children, all the students, generally they go to school, right? So, all the students wore new dresses except one girl. That girl wore old dress and she went to school with the same old dress and untidy hair, unwashed face. So, with that posture, with that outlook, she went to school. So, after going to school, that girl's teacher observed that girl closely. Then she thought that why this girl is like this, why she is not wearing new dress. All the other children are wearing new dresses and they combed their hair neatly and they are tidy. But why this girl is not clean or she has not washed her face? She thought like that and she called that girl. She said that wash your face and tie your hair properly, tell to your mother, she said. So, that girl went to home and she asked her mother to do so. So, the very next day again the girl went to school and she was so cute and pretty with two plaits and with a neat face, with cute face, but her dress is old, the same old dress she wore. So, after looking at her, the teacher asked, don't you have a new dress? Then girl answered, no teacher, I don't have any new dress. So, teacher gave a present, teacher gave a gift to that girl. So, can you guess what is that gift? Yes, that gift is a new blue dress. So, girl was very happy to receive that gift from the teacher. So, the next day she wore that new blue dress and came to school. After looking at the girl, teacher was very happy to see her in a new dress for the first time. See, she has been wearing the same old dress. So, teacher was so happy. So, she went home with that new blue dress. Girl was so cute and pretty. After looking at that girl, her mother thought that when my child, my girl is maintaining cleanliness, why can't I? She thought like that. Generally, mother, she was not used to clean the kitchen counter or house, dining table, anything. It was completely unclean, unpleasant and untidy. So, after looking at the girl, mother learned from the girl. Mother cleaned everything, kitchen and utensils, dining table, house, everything she cleaned. And by looking at the mother, this little girl's father also learned. He has taken mother as example and daughter also as an example. This girl's father learned from these both people and he also started cleaning the veranda and also garden. He was maintaining, he was painting his house, everything. He started maintaining cleanliness and they started to become one of the houses in that street. That was the only house, only family who is maintaining tidy environment. Their surroundings also, they cleaned everything. So by looking at these little girl's father, his neighbor also started to do the same thing. He also started painting his house, cleaning the surroundings, everything. So one day, young minister of the church, generally in foreign countries we can observe ministers who are allotted for the churches. Here we have MLAs, Sarpanch. So in that way, in foreign countries we can observe ministers for that street, colony or for that locality. So one day that young minister visits this street, Gates Avenue street. Then when he was walking there, he observes these two houses. Only these two houses are well painted, but remaining all houses are just faded away in front of these two houses. These two houses are shining brightly. Then he asked why he inquired everything about the street. So finally he came to know that there is a problem of street lights, pavements, means roads and running water. So immediately he ordered his officers, to solve this problem. And after that there was a running campaign. So all the streets, he was taking care of all the streets in that city, and everything was good, became very well. He solved the problems of all the people. All the streets became neat and clean. So this is the ending of the story. Just because of one change, just because of new blue dress which teacher has given to the girl, just because of that, the total family has been changed and neighbors also changed, and the total street, Gates Avenue street, is completely changed. So a small change may bring out a new outcome. It may give a new result. It leads to a big change. So that's what we should understand. That is the moral of the story. First, we should change our character. We should we have to rectify our mistakes. We should correct our mistakes. We should change first from inside. Then automatically our society will also change. Okay students, I hope you have understood the lesson completely, and also I hope you will implement this lesson in your life also. Okay fine, let us meet in the next video.